Hey guys, so for today I'm gonna show you how to fix your TikTok account messages are not showing or not working. Either you can send a message or messages are not working on TikTok. So I have my account open here, and on the bottom right you will see the messages icon. Just press that, and then after that you will see the messages icon on the top right corner. Right now I can tap that because I can send messages, but if you can't, means you can send messages, and sometimes you can send the message to some people because they don't follow you back. And if that's the case, then you just have to wait for the other person to follow you back before you can send them a message. But then, if you can press the plus button or the messages button, then here's what you can do. First is you need to close TikTok, then go to device settings, then find storage. Then after that, you have to find the TikTok app. Then you just have to clear the data. What this does, is it removes the kind of bare bones installation files for the app. But here's the thing, clearing data doesn't delete any of your messages or uploads, so you don't have to worry about it getting deleted if you clear data. And then after that, you can open TikTok, log in again, and see if there's any kind of bug. And if it happens again, and then you can just do it again. That's all then. Thank you for watching.